My name is Delphina Mamiro. I'm a plant pathologist and also a mushroom scientist. And I work at Sokoine University of Agriculture in Tanzania as a senior lecturer. Yeah, my research is focusing on two major areas. One is mushroom production. Another one is management of plant diseases. Both areas I'm working with small-scale farmers in rural areas. As you may know, in African settings, when it comes to mushroom, women are the one who provide relish to the family or to the household. And they do that in assistance with their daughters. Now, during dry season, you don't find any vegetables around, so women are getting difficulty in getting relish. So I started to do the research on capacity building to teach these rural women and their daughters on how to produce mushrooms. During rainfall season, you find them harvesting mushrooms from the wild, but now with climate change, there is introduction of exotic trees. These ones, they come with mycorrhizal mushrooms, which are toxic. And now, because women do not have much knowledge on wild mushrooms, they just pick all mushrooms around. Some of them are toxic and they affect their household members. So we thought the only way to get away from that one is to do now capacity building to produce mushrooms, because mushrooms can be produced throughout the year. And we selected the user-friendly mushroom, the one which you can easily grow, the oyster mushrooms. Currently, I'm the source of mushroom seed, which is known as spawn, because I'm a trained mycologist from the Pennsylvania State University in US. So I really can make a good mushroom seed, and I'm providing these mushroom seeds to women. Most of them, they are growing mushrooms, and they are enjoying growing that crop. Even now, it is dry season in Tanzania, but many women are harvesting their mushrooms, and they are enjoying the relish, and they are having extra which they sell. Money is everything in household. They use money to pay the school fees for their children. They are using money to pay for their medical fees. And one of example, there was one village where even women changed in their lifestyle. You find them having nice clothing. They even be able to make their hair, you know, like mine. Yeah, because now they are having money. We capacitated them to produce mushrooms for household consumption and for sale to get money. You know, there is a lot of requirement in university to climb the ladder. And at that time, I didn't know where to start or where to go. But with award after training now, I've got my roadmap, and I'm just following my purpose goal as it was set during that training. By using experience of my mentor, who is also a woman and who has been in the university for quite a long time, I'm getting a lot of experience from her. And through her guidance, I've managed to publish several papers in peer-reviewed journals. And also, I managed to supervise a lot of postgraduate students. And then after their research work, we can also have publications. Now, after joining award, there are scientists whom we are discussing several issues. For example, when you get a new mushroom species, I didn't know where about, like, to identify it or who can help. But through award, I was connected with those fellows from Ghana. They've got, it's like a fellowship to some experts who can identify new mushrooms. So I'm enjoying to work with them as well. What makes me more happy is when I see women having baskets full of mushrooms, and also when I visit farmers, I found in their households children are playing because they've eaten something and their stomach is full of food.